Welcome to the ultimate guide to making money online, easy strategies and tips revealed. Today, we'll walk you through various ways to earn a lucrative income from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started. First up, freelance work. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect clients with talented individuals offering their services remotely. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's a world of opportunity awaiting you. Next, e-commerce. Establish your own online store with platforms like Shopify or Etsy. From selling handmade crafts to dropshipping popular products, the possibilities are endless. With some strategic marketing, you can turn your passion into profit. Let's not forget about affiliate marketing. Partner with companies to promote their products and earn a commission for every sale you generate. With a well-crafted blog or a strong social media presence, you can monetize your influence and drive sales like never before. Now comes the realm of online courses. Share your expertise with the world and create digital courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Help others learn a new skill while earning a substantial income from course sales. Lastly, consider investing in the stock market. With online platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade, you can enter the exciting world of trading stocks and potentially make significant returns. Just remember to do your research and approach it with caution. And there you have it, an overview of several ways to make money online. Remember, it may take time and effort to build a successful online business, but with determination and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks.